And today I'll be doing a requested video, and I have 2 packets of Reggae locks, as you can see. And I love everything about this hair. It's so beautiful. I mean, the packaging, and this is the information again about the hair. So I'll go ahead and unpack the hair. It has a good texture, and the ends, it looks kind of natural. So one packet has 2 bundles, and that one particular bundles have 12 strands. So I'll have to split this bundle into 2, so that it will give me 24, and then from 1 packet I'll have 48, and then from 2 packets I'll have 96. So after splitting the hair into 2, I'll have to unravel. Yep, that's how I'm unraveling. And be careful when you're doing this. Do it kind of do it in a professional way, so that the hair won't shed. Pull as much as you can. So I've already done some braids using her natural hair, no extension added. So this is 96 braids, and I'll have my crochet going in, and then at the where I unravel the hair, I'll have to divide it into 2, make a loop, and let it go through the braids at the roots. So that's how I did it, and then I'll braid it up. And as I was doing this, the hook that hold my phone from the stand, it broke. So I had my little cousin holding the camera for me. So that's why as you watch the video, you'll find at some point the camera was flickering. So I'm sorry about that. So after that, I'll have the crochet passing through the Reggae lock, and then I'll have that braid going in there. As you can see, this is so easy. I think you can try it. You can go to the salon, get your hair braided if you can't braid your hair, and then you'll just attach the Reggae locks by yourself. So that's how it goes. And then I'll braid it up. Braid it up, and that's the end of the Reggae lock. So I can't go any further. Again, I'll let my crochet pass in through the locks and let my braid go in between. At some point it might show, but try as much as you can to hide the natural braid from the hair. So I'll let you guys continue watching this video up to the end, and don't forget to at least rub it the way I'm doing, so that the braid will stay intact in between. So yep guys, continue watching this video up to the end, and as usual, I hope you will find this helpful. Don't forget to share it with a friend. Give me a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section, and I have other videos that I've done towards reggae locks. So I'll leave the link in the description box below the video, so that when you get some time, you'll go and watch. So guys, stay tuned and don't skip anything. Support this channel by hitting the subscribing button, and when you do that, it keeps me going. And I hope you love this type of content that I do share here on YouTube. So keep on watching the video up to the end.